I just got this countersink in the mail from Amazon. As you can see, it's FTG USA, and I was really happy to get a countersink made in the USA, and that's why I ordered it. Well, I looked closer when I got it here at the package, and if you look really close back here, I don't know if you can see that. It's not made in the USA. It's just a name. It's made in China at FTG USA. So there you go. It's up to you. But if I was gonna buy some Chinese junk, I don't want Chinese junk. It's that simple. I hope this helps you, and if you want this product, go ahead and get it and be happy about it.